How to enable live wallpaper on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to enable the live wallpaper on your Android, what we're going to do, we're going to go to the app library and then search for themes. Then you'll be led to the home page of the themes application. Then you can see different options of themes, wallpapers, ringtones. So on the search bar, we're going to search for live wallpaper. So just type live wallpaper. Now after typing for live wallpaper and searching for it, it will give you different options. Now scroll and switch to the left side and you can see the option of live wallpapers at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can see the options of live wallpapers on your devices that you can download. After choosing the live wallpaper that you would want for yourself, select on download wallpaper, which is at the bottom of the corner, and then tap on watch because you need to watch an ad to download the live wallpaper. After that, you can tap on apply and you can select on lock screen or home screen that you want to apply, and then there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.